Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Honor 9X and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First, let's open the quick panel, and to do it, swipe down twice from the top of the screen, like this. Here we should have record screen icon, but if you don't have one, tap on this icon right here, the edit icon. And as you can see, we have screen recorder right here. Press and hold on this icon and drag it to the list above, like that. Then tap done. Now let's tap on the screen recorder icon to turn it on. Allow some permissions. Here we have some information about it. And then tap OK to start the recording. Now the screen is being recorded. As you can see, here we can, on the left side, on this menu, we can mute our microphone, like this, by tapping on it. And we can also stop the recording by tapping on the right side of this menu, like that. As you can see, the recording was saved to gallery, so let's open the gallery. Go to albums, videos, and here's our video. Okay, let's close this. And we can also delete it. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.